How you going, everybody? This is one of the nicest parts of the world. Even in winter time, it's the weather's really mild. But I'm in Mollymook, and it's just before Ulladulla, and this is right there's the best food that you can get when it comes to fish and chips and hot food. Really nice and fresh, especially the crab sticks. But Mollymook Beach. It's a mild day and nobody wants to be near the beach. It's so quiet here, but I think this is the best time to come and visit the beaches in the middle of winter. It's also good in summer when it's hot and go for a swim, but then you get crowds. But being around here at this time of the year, it's just so quiet, so pleasant. Out in the distance there's a few whales, but a bit hard to zoom in. There's still whales jumping out in the far distance. As I was just hitting, sorry about that with the crumb. Just hit like and subscribe, and more videos of the South Coast region. Always plenty of places to visit. Catch us later.